Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to make a simple nostalgic sweet treat, and that is peanut fudge. This recipe comes together with just a few ingredients and it's perfect for a little holiday treat or for gifting. Let's get started. The first step is to prep your pan. I'm using a loaf pan that I've lined with parchment paper, but you can also butter the pan. Set this aside so it's ready when the fudge comes off of the heat. In a heavy bottom saucepan, add a can of evaporated milk. Add your sugar and a tablespoon of butter. I am using granulated sugar, but you can also use brown sugar. Turn the heat to a medium-low and slowly melt the sugar, stirring occasionally. You don't want the sugar to burn. This should take just about 10 minutes. Once the sugar has dissolved, you're going to notice that the mixture is going to come to a boil. Allow it to simmer until it starts to thicken while stirring occasionally. Scrape down any bits that might stick to the side of the pan because you don't want it to burn, and as it cooks you'll notice that the color will deepen. This is exactly what you want. Now keep cooking until the mixture has reduced, and this should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Be patient and don't be tempted to turn up the heat. You'll know it's ready when it reaches 240 degrees or softball stage. Remove from the heat and mix in the peanuts. Let it cool for about 5 minutes and then the hard work starts. Stir it vigorously until it thickens. This should take about 10 minutes or so. You can also use a mixer for this step, but I'm just going to do it the old school way. Once the mixture begins to thicken and pull away from the sides of the pan, pour it into your prepared pan. Smooth the top using a spoon that's been dipped in water. Add a little bit of chopped peanuts to the top just so people know that there's nuts in it, and it also adds a nice crunch. Let this cool completely before cutting into pieces. And that's it, you guys, a nice creamy rich peanut fudge with a perfect chewy texture and a little crunch from the peanuts. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this holiday season. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, check the description box for the link to the recipe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.